rainforest. One of them is rubber. Rubber can be made into lots of things, such as rubbers and tires. Medicine. Lots of medicines are made from, and lots of medicines are normally found in the rainforest, and they normally are anti-cancer compounds, natural antiseptic, quinine, anti-material, and oxygen. Our plants give us oxygen so we can live. Wood is can be made up into lots of things, such as cupboards, floors, houses, tables and chairs.
So what have you learned from the science box workshop overall?
We learned about how animals live and their behaviour.
And then what else, Diego?
We learned how to make rubber, and we learned how to work out what type of flour is which.
For the medicine use?
No.
No. Okay, is it all?
Yeah.
Well done. Thank you so much. Bye bye.